Hello guys, how's it going? Today we will look at the ljust or left just method in Python. Now the ljust method will left align the string using a specified character, and this specified character is a space by default. Now this is how the syntax look like. As we can see, we have two parameters. The former is required and it is a width of the return string, and the latter is a fill character, which is a character that fills the missing spaces to the right side of the string, and as I said, the default is space. So the method will return a string with left justified in the string of length width. Now padding is done using the specified fill character, and the original string is returned if width is less than length of the string. So what this means, let's look at some examples. Now let's first run this without the uh, fill character, and we can see that the return string is of length 20, and the left side of the string is consists of the original string, whereas the remaining characters are basically padded or filled with the space. Now, if we change this to something like underscore, we will see that, yeah, again, the string is of size 20, but the left part of the string is the original string, and the remaining characters are basically underscores. Okay, so let's look at a case when the length of the string or the width is smaller than the size of the string, like this. And we can see that nothing happened even if we would change this like this. We can see that the return string is the same as the original string, but if we change this to something like this, we can see that the string has been padded with the remaining characters with the star character. Yeah, so this is a ljust or left just method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.